Hi, and welcome to the video on order entry. From your admin area, you can navigate to the order entry area here in your top navigation. Once you're in order entry, the first thing you need to do is select a customer. And you can do that in one of three ways. You can choose an existing customer from a drop-down list. You can search for an existing customer, or you can add a new customer. In this case, we'll go ahead and choose an existing customer. Once you do select a customer, you can go in and edit their profile, edit their account, or log in as that customer. You can also select any users that you've set up for that particular account as well. So once you have selected your customer, then you get the order entry area here below. Now, once you have order entry, there are a number of ways that you can enter an order. One is you can choose products from your main store, your B2C store. Any products that you've created there are available to enter. Also, you can create products that you've built for any portal that you've created. So you can order or enter products for from your B2C store, or you can enter products from any portals that you've created. There's a third way that you can enter a product, and that is using an area that we call entry products. And entry products is an area that you use if that product does not exist on your store, but yet you still want to get an order entered for some unique product. An entry product is basically just a form that you can build out so that you can plug in the specs of that order and then enter it as an order. So for today's video, we're going to look at just pulling a product out of our main store. And we'll just choose the business card category. So once you select the category, then you select an item within that category. In this case, we'll choose business cards. Once I select that, then the calculator appears. Now this is the calculator that here appears as you have built it on your store. So it will have the same questions, the same quantity options, and the same fields to populate. So in this case, we'll go ahead and choose a quantity, select a few options, and then we can give it a project name if need be. All right, the pricing now appears, and this is the same pricing that would appear on your store, the same as if a customer were to go in and get pricing. But here in the order entry area, you can edit this pricing. So you can go up or down with the number once it appears in your calculator. So in this case, if we wanted to knock some off of this price, we could go down to say $230 and enter it that way. Once we have all the specifications as we want them, then we can click Save and Continue. Once you do that, it puts that order over here in the queue and allows you to go back and choose another product or a different product entirely, or you may want to do a different quantity of the same item. It doesn't matter. You can just start over with a whole new selection of a different product if you want to enter multiple products on that one order. In this case, we'll just stick with the one card and we'll check out. The next page here is your checkout page, which will give you the details of the specifications you just selected. It will give you the checkout questions that you can select here. And then it gives you the shipping delivery options. In this case, we'll just say customer pickup. Then you can enter the payment method just as a reference point so that you know how the customer would be paying for this order, and then you can proceed. The last page here is a summary page that gives you the opportunity to review your order and make sure it's the way you want it. If not, you can go back and make changes to it. So if everything looks good here, then you can go ahead and submit the order. Once the order is submitted, it takes you to the workflow page where you can see the order here, which is this order here that we just entered for business cards. And from this point, you can go ahead and set the department, any sub-department that this order should begin in, essentially starting the workflow process for this particular order that you've just entered. So with that, this concludes our video on order entry. Thank you very much.